Hello guys. Have you ever wondered why we hit the head and not the end when we nail a pin? Or why do we use a racket to walk in the snow? The physics explain. And the answer is pressure. For those who don't know us, we are the Evolving Knowledge, an education channel that covers various subjects in science and humanities in short videos. Okay, let's go to the video. Here we have a nail. Note that the area is different at the tip and on the head, right? We will apply the same force to both sides. What is going to happen? I believe it is evident that you will have greater pressure on A than on B, and the reason is not in the applied force but the contact area. In B, we have a smaller area than in A, so we can conclude that the pressure is inversely proportional to the area, that is, the higher the pressure, the smaller the area, and vice versa. Obviously, the pressure will also be dependent on the applied force. The greater the force, the greater the resulting pressure. With these concepts in mind, we can define pressure as the amount of force exerted per area. This definition also means that the units of pressure are newtons per square meter, international system, which is also called pascals or abbreviated as PA. We can use the same approach to understand why people use rackets to walk in the snow. Basically, they area distributing the weight and decreasing the pressure applied in the snow, so it is easy to walk. I mentioned that one of the pressure units is the Pascal, but do you want to know who Pascal was? He was a mathematician, physicist, inventor, and philosopher. He was born in France on June 19, 1623, and died on August 19, 1662, at 39 years old. Definitely one of the greatest in science and math. There are other types of pressure, such as the pressure exerted by a fluid. To calculate the pressure exerted by a liquid, we use the same expression, pressure equals force divided by area. Look at the cylinder complete with water. What is the pressure on the bottom? The force, in this case, will be the weight, in which it can be defined as mass times the gravity. Replacing in the equation, we obtain pressure equals gravity times mass, divided by the area. From mathematics, we know that the volume of a cylinder is equal to the area of the base times the height. We can isolate the area, and we will have area equals to the volume divided by the height. We will now replace in the original equation, and then we will have pressure. Another equation very well known is the definition of density, which is the mass of the matter divided by its volume. Note that we have this term in the equation of pressure, so we can say that the pressure of a liquid column can be understood as the density of the fluid, times gravity, times the height of the liquid inside the cylinder. Easy, right? Let's do an exercise. A liquid inside a cylinder is exerting a pressure of 150 Newton divided by square meter in the bottom. Considering gravity as 10 meters divided by square second, and the density of the liquid as 1000 kilograms divided by cubic meter, what is the height of the liquid? Let's use the equation of pressure defined in the explanation before and isolate the height. The height will be pressure divided by the density times the gravity. Substituting the exercise data, we obtained 150, divide by 1000 by 10, equals 0.015 meters or 1.5 centimeters. Observe that we should use these units for gravity, density, and height, to obtain the pressure in Newton divided by square meter. In this exercise, kilogram times meter divided by square seconds equals Newton. This is the reason the height will be in meters. I have a video in the channel teaching how to convert units. Check it above. Hi guys, we are at the end of another video. What did you find about our lesson today? Please write in the comments before you go, like our video, and subscribe to the Evolving Knowledge channel. Here you will learn a lot. Thanks for watching it and see you soon. Bye.